Sin Fondo. It's in Spanish. Sin Fondo is actually the Spanish phrase meaning bottomless, and it's a horror story about a being that manifests itself as a woman in that feeds on people's traumas. She's almost like a siren who finds her victims, and then through a you know through a seduction like process begins to draw out what it is that any baggage or trauma they're carrying with them,
Wait,
and that and then she feeds on them.
Victor,
Yes,
wait a minute.
yes.
This is a movie?
Well,
This,
yes.
this is
Actually, it's
my
not film.
effing life, dude. Like, oh my God, is what I'm living wrong? Holy crap. God, how did you know my story? Oh, God, I made a mistake.
To go to more independent movies to get the good movies nowadays?
I think so. I think there's some great independent filmmakers, but audiences won't go into theaters with for a lot of independent filmmakers. You know,
Good evening, my fellow Americans. I sit at this desk every day, thinking of ways Papa Joe can improve the nation. We've gone through a lot and use a break from it all. Enter one of my favorite days of the year. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone.
You triggered me, so I had to leave. What I didn't see is that you needed me.